Hey there! Today I'll show you how to install Gemma 2 on Android with Termux, run Google's LLM offline, 2026. We'll cover install Termux, install Ollama, download Gemma 2 and more. Let's dive in. Install Termux. Download Termux from F-Droid, not Google Play. Run package update and package upgrade, then install git and curl. Install Ollama. In Termux run package install Ollama. Then start the server with Ollama serve. Download Gemma 2. Grab the Gemma 2-2b, it q4_k_m GGUF from Hugging Face into your home folder. Create the model file. Write a model file pointing to the GGUF, using the Gemma 2 chat template and stop token. Run Gemma 2. Run Ollama create Gemma 2 F model file. Then Ollama run Gemma 2. Chat with Google's LLM fully offline. That wraps up today's tutorial. If this helped, subscribe to Kola Lawal for daily AI on Android guides. Get the complete ebook at lawalfatikola.gumroad.com. See you tomorrow.